You can connect the dots looking forward. You can only connect them looking backwards. So, you have to trust that the dots will somehow connect in your future. You have to trust in something, your gut, destiny, life, karma, whatever. This approach has never let me down, and it has made all the difference in my life. Great things in business are never done by one person, they are done by a team of people. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. Don't let the noise of others' opinion drown out your own inner voice. And most important, have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. For the past 33 years, I have looked in the mirror every morning and asked myself, if today were the last day of my life, would I want to do what I am about to do today? And whenever the answer has been no, for too many days in a row, I know I need to change something. My favorite things in life don't cost any money. It's really clear that the most precious resource we all have is time. Design is not just what it looks like and feels like. Design is how it works. Stay hungry, stay foolish. Being the richest man in the cemetery doesn't matter to me. Going to bed at night saying we've done something wonderful, that's what matters to me. Technology is nothing. What's important is that you have a faith in people, that they are basically good and smart, and if you give them tools, they'll do wonderful things with them. Computers themselves and software yet to be developed will revolutionize the way we learn. When you're a carpenter making a beautiful chest of drawers, you're not going to use a piece of plywood on the back, even though it faces the wall and nobody will ever see it. You'll know it's there, so you're going to use a beautiful piece of wood on the back. Things don't have to change the world to be important. Sometimes when you innovate, you make mistakes. It is best to admit them quickly and get on with improving your other innovation. It's not the tools that you have faith in. Tools are just tools. They work or they don't work. It's people you have faith in or not. Yeah, sure, I'm still optimistic. I get pessimistic sometimes, but not for long. Everyone here has the sense that right now is one of those moments when we are influencing the future. Design is a funny word. Some people think design means how it looks, but of course, if you dig deeper, it's really how it works. We're just enthusiastic about what we do. No one wants to die. Even people who want to go to heaven don't want to die to get there. And yet, that is the destination we all share. No one has ever escaped it, and that is as it should be, because that is very likely the single best invention of life. It is life's change agent. It clears out the old to make way for the new. A lot of people in our industry haven't had very diverse experiences, so they don't have enough dots to connect, and they end up with very linear solutions without a broad perspectives on the problem. The broader one's understanding of the human experience the better design we will have. We don't get a chance to do that many things, and everyone should be really excellent, because this is our life. Life is brief, and then you die. So this is what we have chosen to do with our life. I'm an optimist in the sense that I believe humans are noble and honorable, and some of them are really smart. I have very optimistic view of individuals. Innovation has nothing to do with how many R&D dollars you have. When Apple came up with the Mac, IBM was spending at least 100 times more on R&D. It's not about money, it's about the people you have, how you're led, and how much you get it. The system is that there is no system. That doesn't mean we don't have process. Apple is a very disciplined company, and we have great processes, but that's not what it's about. Process makes you more efficient. Your work is going to fill a large part of your life. Your work is going to fill a large part of your life, and the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great work, and the only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking. Don't settle, as with all matters of the heart, you'll know when you find it. Innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower. Remembering that you are going to die is the best way I know to avoid the trap of thinking you have something to lose. You are already naked. There is no reason not to follow your heart. Be a yardstick of quality. Some people are not used to an environment where excellence is expected. Sometimes life hits you in the head with a brick. Don't lose faith. Remembering that I'll be dead soon is the most important tool I've ever encountered to help me make the big choices in life. Because almost everything, all the external expectations, all pride, all fear of embarrassment or failure, these things just fall away in the face of death, leaving only what is truly important. That's been one of my mantras: focus and simplicity. Simple can be harder than complex. You have to work hard to get your thinking clean to make it simple. But it's worth it in the end, because once you get there, you can move mountains. It's not a faith in technology, it's faith in people. Creativity is just connecting things. When you ask creative people how they did something, they feel a little guilty because they didn't really do it. They just saw something. It seemed obvious to them after a while. That's because they were able to connect experiences they have had and synthesize new things. You can't just ask customers what they want and they try to give that to them. By the time you get it built, they will want something new. I want to put a ding in the universe.